Hey my loves, welcome to Tara Love Diva, Women 50 and Beyond. And today on Women 50 and Beyond, we're going to talk about my hair. Okay? Now, this is a wig by Tara Love Diva. Now, I'm going to tell you the backstory. But if you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you old school, thank you for coming back. Much love. Anyway, today, as you've seen on the title, wigs by Tara Love Diva, testing. So this wig I have on here is a 4x4. I will put a picture up right here. It's a 4x4 closure, 22, 20, 18 inches, and the closure 16. So I was dancing before this, so that just made me tired. So let me give you a little backstory on testing. I tested the hair, I washed it, conditioned it the first day. Then I went to the pool, which has chlorine and all that, and sun and everything. I will put a picture here, or video, whatever. I will put a thing here to show you I was in the pool with it, how silky it was, and you could run your fingers through it. Then on, you got to be kidding me. Okay, sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh, went to the pool, chlorine, the sun, all of that on this hair. Then yesterday, 4th of July, I went to Lake Lanier. Was in the water literally the whole time. It's the water wave at Lake Lanier. If you're from Georgia, you know. If you're not, it's a water park. Anywho, did all that. The hair dried. I put it in a ponytail last night. Today is July 5th. All I did was put it in a ponytail after it dried. This is the hair. Literally, I did nothing to it. Look, nothing. Let me give you... Oops, almost dropped my glasses. This is the hair after it dried. Now we're going to do the finger through the hair test. Then we're going to show you no shedding. See? Go run my fingers through my hair. I didn't brush it. I did nothing to this hair. You can run your fingers through it. See? Little to no shedding. Nothing. Just a little bit of strands. That's it. Now let's brush it. Now when you're brushing your hair, that's with your natural hair or wigs, brush at the bottom first. I see people going, shh. Don't do that. Don't start from the roots down because you're breaking your roots. Start from the bottom. So you start from the bottom, you can pull your hair. Put your fingers through it. Bottom. Fingers through it. Start from the bottom. See? Fingers through it. See? And this is the straight hair, straight 22-inch straight hair. And it just looks natural. Now we're going to blow dry. I'm using heat protector. Okay, see this side versus this. Blow dried and it's back to straight, and this has the wave pattern. See the difference? So we're going to do this side. I'll be back when I finish this side. So, there you have it. Blown out, back to straight.